In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use a Gmail passkey. Now, passkeys are a cutting-edge way to log into your Gmail account securely without the need for a traditional password. This new method offers enhanced security by utilizing biometric authentication methods such as fingerprint scanning or facial recognition, while also making the login process quicker and more convenient. First, we'll begin by accessing your Google settings. Open your web browser and navigate to your Google account homepage. If you're not already signed in, ensure you log into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're on your Google account page, look at the left-hand menu and click on the Security option. This section is key as it helps you manage your account's safety settings, offering various tools and suggestions to strengthen your security. Within the Security page, locate the Signing In to Google panel. Here you'll find different options to access your account, including password and two-step verification. What we are interested in is the Passkey option. Click on Passkey Setup. Now remember, this option will only be available if you have a device that supports biometric login mechanisms, like a smartphone or a laptop with a fingerprint scanner. At this stage, you'll be prompted to confirm your current password to proceed. Enter your password, and upon verification, you'll be able to set up your passkey. Choose the device that you want to use as your passkey authentication method. This could be your smartphone or your laptop, depending on what you're comfortable with and what you use more often. Now, let's set up your desired biometric option. If you're using a smartphone, the system will guide you through the steps to enable either fingerprint scanning or facial recognition, based on what your phone supports. Make sure that your device's biometric option is already set up. This configuration is crucial, as it's the core of the passkey's security measures. Once your biometric setup is confirmed, a confirmation message should pop up on your screen, indicating that the passkey has been successfully enabled on your device. And just like that, you're all set up. Now, whenever you log into your Gmail account, you can choose the passkey option and use your enrolled device. This means no more struggling with forgotten passwords or worrying about password strength. There you have it. With these simple steps, you've not only enhanced your Gmail security, but also streamlined how you access your email. Passkeys combine convenience with cutting-edge security, so you're always just a quick scan away from your inbox. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.